Hi all, in this video I'll be speaking to you about love. What is love? Everyone they have the question. They say I love my family, I love my father, I love my mother, I love my husband, I love my wife, I love my sister, I love my brother. Okay, you love, but I have few questions. You have to answer these questions, reflect on what you're doing as a responsible lover, whomever you love. Now, are you dominating your partner or are you dominating your child? Like saying that I am your father and you should listen to me and you are my responsibility and you should not make any mistakes. I have given birth to you and you should listen to me and I am paying your fees. You should listen to me. Do you say that, and is that love? There are few people who are so different in the house and again different outside. Like how they are harsh with your wife, or they're harsh with your sister, or they're harsh with any relationship. I mean, they use slang words, they shout in the house, they shout at their wife, and they are different. Exactly, like there are few fathers who are very strict. They say you are, you have to listen to me, you are my property, kind of feel they give. And outside they're different. When they go to a party together with the family and they say to others, I love my family, I give a lot of time, my wife is so caring, my wife is so understanding. If you are the wife, you say my husband is so caring, I love my husband. But you're different in the house, you're not showing that actual love to your husband. And your husband will be looking at you, really you're different in the house, but how come you're different outside in the party? You're trying to boost yourself, or you're trying to boost your property, that is husband or the wife there. The question is here, I'm just asking you few reflective questions, where are you really what you are, and are you giving that name called love to that relationship? I mean, and there are few people who control. They say whatever I say, it should be happening like this, and because I love you, you have to do it. You are my control. They become so possessive in a relationship. There are few parents, like if their child loves more than you, their grandparents, they become so possessive, they do not like it. They say, my child should love me only. My child should love only me. And my child should give more time for me. My child should not spend more time with grandparents or uncle or auntie, whomever you call it as. And that you say it's love. And there are few people who say that, who have that fear. What if my relationship comes to an end and they hurt the relationship? Like lovers, I mean, here lovers are so much scared about their relationship. What if he or she will not marry me? What if it's just end? And they have a fear, they become again possessive. They become like, they insult, and they say you don't love me. And finally it comes to an end, any relationship, and this you call it as love. And here there are few more people. Okay, this person, she has hurt me, she left me, he left me from my life, and they become an ex, and they say I will keep a grudge, I will never forgive this person, and he will die in the hell or something like that. You curse that person like anything, and you say that I loved him. And there are few people who say that, love is everywhere and we should love. Actually, are you really loving yourself? You say we should love, but you know what? Where the love starts, do you really know? The love starts from yourself. Love starts from yourself. You should love yourself. First and foremost, love yourself. When you love yourself, you have enough and enough of love to give others. You have a lot of love. You may think, what is she trying to say here? I'm trying to say, stop being dominant, but be a respectful and a responsible lover. Whomever you love your father, you love your mother, you love your spouse, whomever you love your child, respect that person. It's not like I have given birth and my child should be like this. It will not work like that. Keep that in your mind. And there are few people who say different and they do different. They say we will go to the party next month or next week. It's fixed. I'm giving you enough time. But they forget. There are few partners who do that. And they say, I'm sorry, I forgot. And it won't work this week. I'm busy. Are you being truthful to your partner? Or are you giving that promise to your child and breaking it again and again that you call it as love? No. Be truthful to your whomever you love the person, whomever you love. And the way how you treat, the way you how what kind of words you use, that also is important. And leave them free. I'm telling you, how much you control any relationship, how much you say that you are doing this and you should not do it, you should not do that. There are a lot of chances where they break it very easily. Oh, my father says that I should not do it, let me give a try, I'll do it. My mother says I should not behave like this, I will break this particular rule, they say. I am saying, do not control. I am saying, be firm with what you do. And if you're telling, you follow it. They will really follow it automatically. Be truthful. Do not have that selfish thoughts. Do not get attached to everything in life. Because finally we all are left alone. Am I right? We all are left alone in life. And there are few people who are, not forgiving in any relationship. They don't forgive. They don't forget. Any relationship, I mean, forgive. If you forgive, you get back that precious relationship in life which you lost. If they realize and they come back to you, forgive. I will not forgive you. You have done such a big mistake in life. You give all that dialogues to your partner, or you give that dialogues to your spouse, or you give that dialogue to that sibling person, whomever you call it as, whomever you say that you love that person. Forgiveness is important. If you love, you forgive that person. If you love, you respect the person. If you love, use right words. And whatever promise you give, try to follow it. If in case you cannot follow it, you have to explain. You have to explain. Why should I explain? You will say no. When it's a relationship, they will be waiting for your response. Love self. This is my final message. Love yourself as much as possible. Do what you like. That's how you love yourself. This is what I wanted to tell you, so that you understand what is love. Love is nothing but it starts from you. How you love, do whatever you like. Maybe hobbies. Do not keep your mind idle, because idle mind is a workshop for the devils. You all know that. So give as much as time and effort. Put effort. Nurture your relationship. Give something to the relationship. It's not a course where, okay, I've done my responsible stuff and my partner will love me forever. No, it won't happen like that. It takes a lot of time. It takes lifelong nurturing. That's what is needed, so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Love starts with you. Keep that in your mind. And love is not a control or a dominant relationship where it ends soon if you're doing it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please, you can there's a link there provided. You can follow there my YouTube channel. You can subscribe if you like. You can comment, so that it helps few people who have a wrong notion about love. Thanks again for watching my video.